Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.
Nita, I'm one of the expert language tutors at Dlschool. So today in this session, I'm going to give you some of the IELTS general reading strategies. Okay. So here I would like to tell you some general tips, and then I'll stick on to each particular question type and some tips related to that. Okay. So the first one is, before you actually start reading the paragraph, always make it a point to look at the question and then scan for the keywords in the question. And then right after that, skim through the article for general understanding. You just have to read the article to get a general understanding of what this is basically. Okay, for 2 minutes, that's it. And then only read in detail to check the relevant section. If you find a keyword and if you feel that, okay, these two sentences are the one where the answer lies, then you have to read it carefully. Okay. Then check for synonyms and paraphrasing in the question. Sometimes if you are actually searching for a keyword from the question, you're trying to find out it in the paragraph, you may not find it. So just check out for the paraphrases and synonyms. Okay. Next one is check for qualifiers with nouns. That is also very, very important. So these are the general tips that I would like to tell you. And then coming to each question type, the first question that you can get is like the matching paragraphs to headings, which will be like, it will be a long paragraph and it will be divided into a number of paragraphs that will be numbered, and then there will be a list of headings which will be more than the number of paragraphs, and then you'll have to choose the appropriate heading for the appropriate paragraph. So first you have to read the paragraph headings, and then each paragraph you have to read the first and the first 2 or 3 sentences of the first paragraph. Okay, so you actually will get an idea about that paragraph or what the whole thing is about. Okay, the answer is usually but not always here. Please try to read the, if you're not able to find out the answer in the first 1 or 2 sentences, and try to read it fully. Okay. Next one is multiple choice type of questions, where there will be a question, then multiple options would be there, and you'll have to choose one among that. Here, read the questions and underline the keywords, and if there is any name that is coming up in the question, underline that too, because that's going to help you. Next, the one tip that you have to understand is that the question will always follow the order of the article. Okay, the questions always follow the order. Just keep that in mind so that you're not wasting additional time. Next is true, false, not given, or yes, no, not given type of questions. In that, the questions will again follow the order of the article and look for keywords and synonyms again. And if you can't find the answer, it's probably not given. Okay, many a times people find it difficult. They feel they're not comfortable stating the answer as not given. But then just understand that if you're not able to find the answer, then it's possibly that it's not given in the paragraph. Okay. Next one is sentence completion. Sentence completion, the first thing that you have to be careful about is not to exceed the given word limit. Okay. Next one is ensure the answer fits the sentence grammatically. Okay, you're not just supposed to pick up answers from the paragraph. You have to check or filter for its grammatical accuracy too. Okay. Next one is gap fill. Gap fill means fill in the blanks. Here, read the questions and underline the keywords and any names. And the thing that you should understand again is that the question will again follow the order of the article. Okay, so that's it. I hope I have covered almost all the general strategies and question type strategies as well. So I hope this session was useful. If you feel the same, please do like and share the session. Also subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting more notifications.
Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.